Hello everyone. So we have earned 20 points by solving two challenges, and now we are heading to the third challenge, that is enable push notification. And what they're saying over here is we got a message for you. Can you get it? So they have crafted some message for us, and we have to read that message. So we'll going to see how we're going to read that message. So what the policy is saying, set statement one, it's just a name, then effect is allow, and principal and action SNS, and subscribe, and then some resource link is there. And then there's a endpoint, SNS endpoint, that is this is the basically the domain, tbic.wiz.io. So what we're going to do, we have no idea what is this, so we'll first of all copy this thing SNS, and we'll search it on the Google. What is this SNS? So we'll say SNS AWS and just press enter. So we got the documentation, that is the documentation is here in the on the Amazon documentation portal, docs Amazon, AWS Amazon. So it is all about the SNS, simple notifications services. So it is Amazon simple notification service. Is a web service that coordinates and manage the delivery or sending of message of to the subscribing endpoints or clients. So that's what IAM policy is all about, SNS and subscribe. So we'll search SNS AWS CLI to get more information and how to exploit this thing. We got the first link, and there's a SNS and available commands are these are the commands, and we are looking for the subscribe definitely. So we'll look for the subscribe, and there's a description all about the SNS, and we'll look for the CLI command, and here we go. It's SNS subscribe, and the topic, protocol, and the notification endpoint. So basically, you will get the message, or you will get the email on this domain. So, and here over here you can see the email protocol is mentioned over here. So we'll copy this thing and paste it on the mouse pad or any other notepad. So we'll start filling the appropriate information, that is a topic ARN, and what we have in our policy is this one. I guess they have something. No, it is correct. So we'll just say copy and paste. Then email is protocol, then my email, and but they have some hard coded email in the policy, that should be tbic.wiz.io. So we have to change over here. And then what else, that's now good to go, I guess. So we'll copy this thing, and we'll paste it in the CLI, and we'll see what result it is going to give. Subscription ARN pending confirmation. So how we going to allow or approve this confirmation, because it is going on this domain's email ID. If we mention, or if we change it with the Gmail or any other domain, then it will not going to work. So what we're going to do, so in this scenario we're going to catch this request in the request catcher. So there are different websites also available in the market, but the request catcher is best one. uh, it's a request catcher by mail definitely. So we're going to open this website. There's a request catcher. So we'll say random name, that is a DJ, and get started. So apart from this request catcher, there is a webhook and a post bin. Websites are also available, but this one is a really good. So we'll copy this thing, and we'll paste it just in just next to this domain. So we'll get will directly hook this request. For the safer side, we'll use the single quote. And now we are not going to use email protocol, we're going to use the HTTP protocol, so just change that. And okay, so we're going to use it over here, and we'll just say copy and a paste. And here we go. So pending confirmation. Now we have to go over here and we have to check. Okay, we got we hooked successfully hooked that particular request. And message ID, what else, it should come over here. Okay, we got the second request also. So okay, we got the flag over here in the second request. So we'll just copy this thing and paste it over here, and we'll check success. So we have successfully completed a third challenge. So we'll move to the next challenge.